Attending the Monday.com certification workshop. It's amazing.
I am constantly being wowed.
The workshop is fantastic. We're working through real-life worked examples that I can apply to my job.
If you see what's possible, you will understand how you could use it for your own work.
It opens up your horizon about why we want to do something in certain ways.
It just broadens your knowledge, and that's really key to become a super user.
People are offering to look at my dashboards and want to work on it together.
It can be just this one thing someone says and you're like, aha, oh my God, that's so cool.
I'm actually going back with significant value. We've seen these great ideas, we've seen these new ways of working. We can be more efficient and scale better.
It really opened my eyes to expand my current vision.
After this workshop, we are not afraid to try new things, and we can learn from every new thing we tried on the path of getting better.